You can easily refresh your data pipelines within Coalesce using the Coalesce Job Scheduler. The Coalesce Job Scheduler allows you to seamlessly manage all of your data pipeline jobs associated with each environment. Jobs can be manually triggered, created as a schedule, and all scheduled jobs can be viewed through a simple control pane for each environment. This allows Coalesce users to manage the entire process of building and refreshing data pipelines all from the same platform. To set up jobs using the Coalesce Job Scheduler, navigate to the Deploy interface. You will need to have an environment admin role to use the scheduler. Additionally, you will need to have an environment already created that has Snowflake credentials added to it. With your environment set up, make sure you have a job deployed that you can refresh. In this case, I have a job called Industry Master. Coalesce provides me with two different options to refresh this job. First, I can manually trigger the job by selecting Run Job. Coalesce will immediately kick off the job, and we'll be able to see the refresh in progress within our deploy and refresh details. Alternatively, I can create this job as a schedule. To do this, I'll select Create Job Schedule, and am taken to the job schedule form. To set up a job schedule, you will need to supply some additional details. Coalesce will use the project, environment, and job associated with your selection from the deploy interface, but if you need to change those, you can select new values from the drop-downs. Next, you'll provide a name for your schedule. Finally, using a cron expression, you can specify the frequency of which you want this job to run. You can view the cron expressions guide for more information about commonly used cron expressions. The Coalesce Job Scheduler also gives you the ability to retry on job failure. By default, this toggle is turned off, but you can toggle it on to set up this functionality. You will supply the scheduler with the number of retries you would like the job to attempt if the job fails. Additionally, you will specify the number of minutes between retries. Once you have configured the job schedule, select Next to set up job notifications. You can toggle email notifications to enabled to set up email notifications for each job. You can receive email notifications for job successes, errors, or both. Finally, you can list one or more emails on a new line for each recipient of the job notification. Once complete, select Save to save your job schedule. Coalesce will take you to the job schedule page where you can view all of the jobs associated with your environment. Under the Actions column header, you can edit or delete any job listed within the scheduler page. Back in the Deploy interface, you can view the scheduler page for any environment by selecting the ellipses next to the Deploy button and selecting View Scheduled Jobs. From here, you can continue to create, manage, and run your data pipelines within Coalesce without ever leaving the platform. For more information on using the Coalesce Job Scheduler, visit our documentation at docs.coalesce.io.